In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop people posting on your Facebook timeline. So if you want to stop people posting on your Facebook timeline, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you open up your Facebook app, you can then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, you need to scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. If you click on the Settings and Privacy drop down menu, you will get these options here and you now need to select the Settings tab. Once you select the Settings tab, you will need to scroll down until you find Audience and Visibility. Once you find that, you will see a lot of options here, and the one we need in today's video will be Profile and Tagging. Once you click on Profile and Tagging, as you can see right there at the top, there is an option for who can post on your profile. So if you click on that option there, what it will do is it will give you two options. So you can allow your friends to post on your timeline, or you can click on Only Me, which will mean that only you can post on your timeline, guys. So it's just as simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.